cool, boy. That shit's cool. I said just. Warning! The following product may contain nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical. That's cool, boy.
What's going on, guys? Cody from Matt Vapes Easily here, and I got a new video for you today. It is the FLUX Kit from WOTOFO. What the flux?
Warning, the following product may contain nicotine.
So, this is the big box that it comes in. It's made out of plastic, but it's really cool. This is a collaboration from WOTOFO and the Rig Mod. Show that right there. Designed by WOTOFO and the Rig Mod. Pretty much, it comes with this little tank right here, and then the device itself. It's got that cool looking like rig symbol on the back, and then it's got the screen on the front up here. And then it's got this little, in the box, it's got this insert, and under there will be your cord and some other stuff. That's about it that it comes with. It comes with a bubble glass for that tank. That tank will use, daggern baby beast coils. I've got my Goon, my June, my Woon on here right now, just to test her out. But I really like the design and style of this box. It's got this pulsing, like multicolored light right here. That's about the only light on it. Other than that, the whole fire bar is, or the whole side is how you do the fire bar. It'll do, let's see how many watts it'll do. You can change the color of the display, of course. I have it on green because I like green. The wattage that it will go up to is 200. And it'll go as low. I'm waiting for it to go down. It displays your voltage on here, both of your battery battery lives, and then, of course, your ohms.
Warning,
It'll fire 5 watts.
the following product may contain nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical.
So we're just going to put it back on 100. That's where I had it. I really like the display. It's very clean. When you fire it, this light will like pulse up like that, which is super cool. To change the color, if you hit the fire button and the wattage down, it'll change that color. And then I can't remember what this one does. Oh, okay, that's how you change your light and stuff. But we're going to take some rips off of it. At 100 watts, she's fogging. Definitely little to no ramp up time. I like that. Ever since the drags have came out, I've been really impressed with the drags as far as their reaction time, as far as button goes, ramp up time. So the ramp up time on this one isn't too bad. It's almost instantaneous at 100 watts. But I really like this kit. I think it's solid. It's good to see something from WOTOFO, because we really haven't carried many WOTOFO products here recently. And then anything with Rig's name on it, I'm sure that they're going to stand behind. This is a 2-battery device, of course. It uses 18650s. It doesn't really have any like crazy information on it. The box does come with the Flux box, the Flux Pro sub tank, a user manual, a 510 drip tip adapter, a USB charging cable, user manual, bubble tube, extra coil, and extra O-rings. It also says it's an electronic cigarette. Do not use if you are under 18. Do not use during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Do not use if you have a heart disease or under severe hypertension or diabetes. So,
Warning.
So that's this box. If you have any questions about it, you know what to do with them. Shove them right down in the comments below. And that's what we got for you.
Or up your